Hello, my name is Dylan Vaughn, and I'm going to be giving you an overview of our new AWS Marketplace product for PeerTube, which is a alternative to big tech video. PeerTube's open source. Here the latest version is 5.10. That's what our current product is deploying. Here's our product page, where you can learn more details about our architecture and some features that we support. You can check out our architecture diagram here and some of the features we have, like built-in SSL, Route 53. Our solution is also open source. Let's go ahead and jump into it and deploy this application. So when you subscribe to the marketplace, it's delivered as a CloudFormation template plus custom AMI. Here I'm just going to pick the template file that you would receive after subscribing to our marketplace product. I'm going to fill in the parameters here for the CloudFormation stack. Stack name, it can be anything you want. PeerTube requires an admin email. You can fill one in, or we'll try and guess what you would like. We do provide SSL, so you'll need to provide a certificate from the Amazon Certificate Manager. Here I'm going to grab one that has a wildcard cert for my domain, patterns.ordinaryexperts.com. I'll just take that ARN, plop it in this parameter here, and then here on this ALB ingress, I'm going to make it open to all IPs for 0000. And then on the DNS configuration, I'll put in the name of the hosted zone that I'm going to use, and then the actual host name that I want to give this workload, this PeerTube site. All right, I think that's all I really need to configure by default here. There's some other parameters that you can look into, like whether you want to create your own VPC or not, and other things. But I'll just go through these rest of this CloudFormation setup here. Go ahead and click Submit. And then our CloudFormation stack with the custom AMI plus CloudFormation template is starting to provision. I've sped this part up. So we're going to zoom through the provisioning process here. It takes about 20 minutes. Here you can see that we actually are setting up SES for emails, and we do DKIM setup via Route 53. We'll go ahead and let this continue to provision. It's going to provision a database, Redis cluster, EC2 instance, all sorts of things. Okay, and now we're done. So now the PeerTube test is complete. And then let's take a look at the resources that is provisioned for us. We have CloudWatch groups for your logs, all sorts of stuff here. And then in the outputs, we have a first use instructions output. And here it says to click on the link above and then go to this secret and find the initial root user and password. So we'll click on that link. This is the host name we put in before. Now we see it's our PeerTube site. It's all up and ready. So let's find the password for the root user. So we're going to the instance credentials secret that was created for us as part of this deployment. You can go ahead and click retrieve secret value, and then we want to get the root password secret here and copy that. Then that'll let us sign in with the username root, and password is the password we just copied from Secrets Manager. So normally you would then configure your instance. We're not going to do that right now. And also normally you would create another user, which is a normal user, to use to upload videos. But for now, we're just going to publish a video via this root user just to demonstrate that it actually is working. So this video is getting uploaded initially to the instance, but then there's a job that is going to push it to the S3 bucket for permanent storage. And we also have configured CloudFront in front of that to deliver these videos to the users. So you're able to put in a description and then edit the metadata for this video, things like category, license, and language and others. But for now, let's let it upload. Then once it uploads, we can click publish. Once we click publish, it's going to actually go through a transcoding job where it's going to transcode the video and publish it to S3 in CloudFront. So now we've done the initial publish, and you can see it's being transcoded. So it's going to take a couple moments here for this video to actually become ready. So let's refresh the page. We can see we have our thumbnails now has been selected, and then if we wait a little bit longer, we can go look at our channel. No videos yet, still transcoding. And okay, we see a notification in our notifications tab. Note that the video has been published. Transcoding is complete. So now we can play this video. And this is being streamed to us via CloudFront with the S3 bucket origin, even though some local storage is still used in the initial transcoding steps. So this was a quick look at our PeerTube product. Please check it out on the marketplace and let us know what you think.